My name is Steve Mead, and I do pretty much whatever I feel like doing. I came out here to film my truck that just got done putting a 1,000 horsepower engine in it over here at Armageddon, Motiva Performance. I wanted to be here in person for the dyno testing so I could film it for my YouTube channel, youtube.com/mead916, you know how we do it. This is a 2015 Cadillac Escalade with a brand new 1,000 horsepower Armageddon Street Fighter. I think that's what it's called, the Street Fighter engine. All forged parts, piston, cam, everything you could think of is on it, without going to the next level. But yeah, what we did is pretty much next level in my world. I decided to put a twin turbo kit on the Escalade because I think a supercharger might be just a little bit too basic for what I'm doing. I love being a supercharger, don't get me wrong, but I, for some reason, wanted to just take it to that next level. I got with Josh at Overkill Performance, and he talked me into it. He introduced me to the guys at Armageddon, Jules, and from there, we just developed a fun little relationship, and before you know it, we're putting in the good stuff, and that's why. I mean, hey, if you're gonna go all out, you might as well go all out. I can't believe we just did 900 to the wheels. And I believe I can safely say it's a 1,000 horsepower Escalade to the crank. Yep, I earned my V logo. 28-inch 4G autos are going back on it, because you know that's me, that's just me, what can I say? And then from there, I can start tearing the dash apart and start thinking about the sound system I'm gonna put in it. They made me a deal I couldn't refuse as far as building the motor up the proper way. So that's why I decided to send it out here. I was like, well, you know, if we're gonna do it, now's the chance. I gotta give some love over to my guy Craig over at Cooney Cadillac. He's the GM over there. They've been nothing but extremely good to me, knowing that I just voided almost all my warranties, and he still shipped this thing to New Mexico for me. So part of the deal, part of the reason I couldn't refuse getting this done right now, my engine, was because I got it transported out here for me. So much love to Cooney Cadillac in Sacramento, California. I really appreciate the transport, and she's ready to go back on the truck any day now and head on back home to Daddy. Woo-hoo-hoo!
God damn.